and Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greene County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Lake Chickasha, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blanchard, Mustang, Tuttle, Minko, Amber, Bridge Creek, Acacid, and Lake Chickasha. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 89 and 101. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.